Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for my Leo placements for the 15th of March. Leo, karma is a bitch. I should have known better. Hi, I'm Vanessa Carby, and I may not be gay, but I understand gay people, and you should too. Become a spectator or become a person who joins the march for gay rights in June. June is a month for gay people. And even though you may not be gay, someone you know or someone you're sitting beside on a TTC may be. This message is not sponsored by gay people. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo, law enforcement officers, good morning. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. It is too early, 6:19. I just want you to know that I am not acting like a problem. I am a problem since the moment I wake up, 6:19. Who is up at this time? Children, school kids, right? Is this the time them get up, or is this the time them having breakfast? Because when I was going to school, you have to be at school like 7:30. You have to be there. And if you're not there at 7:30, they will close the gates on you. And then make you wait until like 9. And then all of the kids who came late is just one big line. And they have to walk into school with that late shame and write them name down in a book. So the principal know all the students that came late. It was terrible. Attendance was, punctuality was crazy. Anyways, 6:20. I'm not sure if your children are up at this moment. Okay. But yeah, Leo, you rise with the sun. Okay, remember, you're staying up late in the nights. That's why you have so much bags underneath your eyes. You rise with the sun. Remember, no oubliez pas. Let's go, Leo. First card out is the Empress. So I'm getting your wife, Leo, or I'm getting you're looking on this Empress figure. Leo rules other people's kids. I'm not sure if you have kids and you're trying to ask somebody to caretake for them. All right. Was also getting something about homework, basic homework, like pluses, like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. I'm getting something about homework, kids and homework. Yeah, like English. I'm getting basic homework though. This could be like colors, squares. We're getting homework for kids, after school for kids. It could be morning. People, let me tell you something. Never mind. I don't have kids. Let me not tell you about years. Yeah, so I'm getting the Empress, a mother. No, this could be something about a lot of kids' birth charts. I'm getting you doing something and you're getting like a lot of birth charts, but it's kids under 12, everybody under 12. You should know, as a parent, you should know your kid's birth charts, your child's birth chart before them reach 13. 13 is when them dead, spiritually. Them gain identity. That's why they're like, leave me alone. And stay out of my room. That's why they act so at 13, them change. 13 is a dead card. Me getting the Empress, a mother-like figure, all right? Yeah, we have the Queen of, okay, me getting stepmom. Me getting two women. Me getting the Empress, it could be her kids. And then we have the Queen of Wands. So we have an Empress, and then we have a Queen of Wands together. We also have the Knight of Wands. Okay, me getting these two people had a baby. Something about the guy, Leo, is you. So you had a baby with this woman. Me getting you asking that you and this woman is either no longer together, right? Or the Chariot. Okay, me getting you have to work. Both women have to work. What is this? We have the Five of Cups, right? So you and her is no longer together. Me getting you need to work, Leo. You need someone to watch the kids. You're asking this Empress to watch the kids for you. Maybe you need help to get the kids ready to. Maybe you need help in the mornings to get the kids ready for school. Then when them get ready, you can take them to school and then you pick them up and bring them back home. But me getting them ready in the mornings, that's your biggest problem. No, I'm kind of seeing an Empress over here with kids, but for some reason you're having sex with another woman in the mornings. Is this something about sisters? Because we're getting two women who live in, two people live in the same house. One of them you're with, one of them is a sister. But there's kids in the house too. So it's either the babysitter. I don't know if you're one night of ones and your girlfriend or your wife is a queen of ones. Me getting you hire this beautiful empress girl that you know supposed to be someone's wife to care for your kids, because that's what you want. So me getting the plan is for somehow break up the queen of wands. Me getting this is the man's job. The man are gonna hire one bit. I don't know what this is. Cause me getting while she's over here with the kids who are having sex. These a Leo, two Leos, a Leo and a Sagittarius is having sex. But why she have the kids? Unless I'm talking about a surrogate. No, this could be your home with the kids. Two people work together. Them work police force, surveillance, security, them having sex. And getting here to find out. Come getting she's the empress over here. With kids. Then we have the queen of wands and the king of wands. Them having sex together. So whose kids are they? Are they the queen of wands kids? Are they the kids of the knight of wands? I'm getting them off for work anyways. But the empress is usually the one, the wife, you know. Yeah, the two of... Yeah, I'm getting two of the fire signs are dating. Are you dating a... Are me getting two Leos is standing in the way of the empress dating a Cancer? Me getting the Cancer man have kids. The Cancer man want the empress to take care of the kids. There's two people who are having sex with each other, them standing in the way. So me getting a couple jealous. That's like me and a girl is friends. Me single, she in a relationship. She talking about her boyfriend to me all the time. Maybe the boyfriend see me, maybe the boyfriend know me. I say, oh my God, she's single. Maybe it's a joke, maybe it's not. Now me getting a relationship, she want to know everything about what's happening. The man want to know how the man look. That's like you getting a relationship with a guy and this couple who didn't know you when you're single. The man, not even the girl. The man jealous of the man you are date. So the couple is trying to separate. The Page of Pentacles. Me literally getting, is like you're dating somebody more successful than this couple. Then him don't like it. The man don't like it. The man that's with the girl, him don't like that the other person is dating a more successful man than him. Because maybe something was supposed to be rubbed into your face for saying you're single. Oh, no, you're not single. You date somebody who is doing better than me. That's an issue. Your King of Swords, me getting is an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra man. And we have the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, because I'm getting the Hierophant. So the Empress is someone's wife, or to be. She can to be someone's wife. That's a Taurus. Leo, are you dealing with a Taurus? Me getting this is a strong Taurus. So Leo, me getting something about a Taurus that you marry, a Taurus that you claim have kids. You said that you marry a Taurus, Leo, that have a boy and a girl. Me getting the boy and the girl coming from a couple. The man is a Leo, the girl may be a Sagittarius. So me getting you and she had sex, had 2 kids. You married a Taurus and you said that the kids is 4. Did you make the Taurus a godmother? Did you make the Taurus? Me getting you put the Taurus name on paper for the kids. Or me getting while you're, because her counterpart is the Emperor. She and you are counterparts. I'm not sure if the deal or the joke was to get somebody pregnant and then leave them and cheat on them. Because I'm getting she married with kids. I don't see the Emperor. I see 2 Leo here, or a Leo and a Sagittarius here. So whose kids are they? Because me getting Maybe you wanted she to take care of this woman's kids, for make the government or people make it look like it's hers. Because one thing, any single time I have people kids in my hand, them love take picture. I'm gonna say, why you keep a take picture when I have a kid in my hand? I say, why you keep a take my pic? Them love take pictures. You know much pictures out there with me and other people, kid. You probably think I'm mine. Let's go, Leo. You have political agenda. Or maybe something looks better if you have kids with you. You see what Elon Musk is doing. And you see how Trump is walking around like X is his own. Where is Baron? Oh, Baron is with Melania. Safe and sound. We have doctor, PhD doctor. We have Ophiuchus, that's the 13th zodiac sign. And Leo, we have curse. It's the curse of kids. Maybe it's a curse of taking care of other people's kids. We're getting somebody is trying to curse your life. Pain for kids that is not yours. Taking care of kids that's not yours. Are you supposed to be the wife that's locked up in a house with kids while your man cheat on you with another woman? Ain't no fucking way. You think ain't no mother. Not even the devil wanted that for me. Not even that. I'm gonna leave it here, Leo. Bye.